Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. It's that time of year again for Yule logs and cheese logs. So let's get started preparing a cheese log. It doesn't get much simpler. We're going to use two different types of cheese. Softened cream cheese, which I've already started to beat up to make things a little bit easier for me, and sharp cheddar cheese. So we're going to combine those two things in the bowl, and we'll add to that thyme, tarragon, basil, and garlic. But first I'm going to go ahead and mix these two cheeses together, and then we'll add our spices. This is it's a tradition down here. It always has been in our home. My mom has always made some sort of a cheese log or a cheese ball, or something for when your guests arrive at your Christmas party and you want them to have a little something to dig into. Put the crackers out and maybe some pepper jelly or jams to go with it. Really, really traditional Christmas stuff, at least in the South anyhow. Let's see, so I've got my two cheeses are pretty well beat together. Let's go ahead and add to it the thyme, tarragon, and basil. Ooh, stay there, baby. It's gonna tip because it's heavy because it's loaded with cheese. This is, this is one of those things that it's simple, but I love it, and I can pretty much clear out a cheese log, I think, by myself. You laugh, you could do it too, probably. I think anybody can. Give me time and space and a little bit of privacy, and you'd be surprised what I can do. So we're gonna mince the garlic in. Can you believe that it's...
I cannot.
I say it about every season. I can't believe it's St. Patrick's Day already. I can't believe it's Easter. I can't believe it's...
Time flies.
It's going fast. The older I get, man, the faster and faster it goes. All right, so we'll mix together our herbs with the cheese. Man, this thing's working overtime. We may have to replace a mixer when this is over with, Teresa. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so speaking of privacy and time, that's well beat together, but I'm gonna use a spatch to clear out all that extra cheese that's gooped up. Get it together, and then will come the shaping part. So we'll take a quick break. I'll get myself cleaned up here and ready, and then we'll come back and we'll shape the cheese log, and then we'll roll it in walnuts, and it will be complete. So be right back. So I've got my cheese semi-shaped, all mixed together. So we've got our cream cheese and our cheddar cheese, plus all of our herbs and our garlic together. And I'm just gonna start to kind of shape it into a log. I'm shaping this into a log, everybody. My cheese. Just kind of roll it a little bit. Get it into a missile shape. Who doesn't like a cheese log? Raise your hand.
I love them.
There you go.
Especially good ones, and homemade ones are the best.
The consensus is everybody loves them. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I'd say that's a cheese log. Looks good to me. Okay, so we are going to roll it in walnuts, chopped, and just get it nice and coated. Might have to force some of the walnuts to sort of stay and stick. Well, that looks really good. And
Does it looks delicious?
doesn't it look great?
Yes. What kind of cheese did you use?
Cream cheese and sharp cheddar. And then some thyme and basil and fresh garlic, and
Yes.
get you some crackers and some pepper jelly.
Yes.
And voila. I can't believe it's Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
I think Mrs. Claus is here. So enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.